So in this video we are going to solve group of anagram problem which is asked in the Atlassian interview. And before solving this problem, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, then please do. It really helps me get motivated to make new videos. So now let's move to the problem. Here what it is saying, you have given a array of strings, and you have to group that strings into the anagram. Okay, so group the anagram together. So what it is saying, so what is anagram basically? So anagram is the word phrases found by rearranging the letters in a different way. So for example, there is ABC and BAC. Both are anagram of each other, because if you rearrange ABC, you can get a BAC. Okay, if I take example of T and eat, both are anagram of each other. Okay, because if you rearrange T, you can get eat. Okay, so by rearranging character in a string, if you get another string, that string is an anagram of the previous string. Okay, now let's move to the example. So here what it is saying, you have a set of strings, and you have to group these strings into anagram. So suppose eat, so here if you see eat and T and 8 all are anagram of each other, so that's why it is under one group. Now 10 TA and tan and NAT nat, these both string are anagram of each other, that's why it is in one set. And this bat is means anagram, so there is no anagram present for this bat, so that is in different set. Okay, so how are we going to solve this problem? So if you check like, so let me just tell you my approach. So what we are going to do is, we will first take means dictionary of list, and what we will do, we will first take individual string, sort it in increasing order, and mark that a string, sorted string, as a key of this dictionary, and append whatever string we get into this dictionary. So for example, if I take eat as an example, then if I sort it, so I will get, after sorting, I will get AET. Now this is the key, right, of dictionary. Now whatever I get, I will append that into this list. So that's why I have taken dictionary of list. So I will add it into the list. So what was the string? So initial string was EAT. Now take another another string TEA. So after sorting, it will be AET. So again add that into this set, because this will be added into this this array itself. So it will be like TEA. If you take this one TAN, so after sorting, it will be what? It will be ANT, and we will add it into the string. So it will be TAN. If I take another string which is ATE, after sorting it, it will be AET. So it will be go inside this string ATE. Same for NAT. If I sort it, it will be ATANT. ANT is already there, so it will go inside this list. So NAT. Now BAT. So after sorting, it will be ATB. ATB is not already there, so it will form a separate key. So ABT, it will form ATB, and add that into the list. So BAT. Now we are end of the list, so just return this as a output. So for the first anagram group, this is the first anagram group, this is the second one, third one. Okay, so if you check the answer, so you will get first one anagram group as bat, another one as this one, and another one is this one. So you can match this output. So now if you have understood this logic, let me just write down a code for you. Okay, so what I have told, first what we will do, first we will import dictionary. So I'm going to use default dict. Import default dict from collection. Default dict. Now what we will do, we will just define a default dict of list. Now what we will do, we will run a loop on a string array. We will run a loop on a string array word of. Now what we will do, we will sort the sorted of word, but this will return me the output in the format of list. So we have to join that as well. So we will join it. Now what we will do, as discussed, we will create a key and append the value, because this will be like key and value will be array type. So we will append that into that value. So append the word, and at the end we will just return d dot values. Okay, so if I run this, hopefully I will get output. Okay, so there is syntax error. Okay, now let's run again. Okay, it should not be off, it should be in. Okay, if you see, we are getting we are successfully getting the output for all three cases. Now let's submit this. So as you can see, it is successfully accepted. Now what is the time complexity of this whole code? So time complexity, if I consider n as a number of length of a string and k as a individual string length, then it will be, so for sorting it will be, suppose on average individual string length is k, so for sorting it will be k log k, and if I take length of all means array, a string array as n, then it will be n k log k, where k is length of individual string, and n is length of array. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.